You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Take a ride in the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, FWD. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.